We are doing a brake on a 2002 F150 step side, flare side, fun side.
Yeah, but we're not just doing brakes, dude. Changing calipers. What you just putting different calipers on it, more modern?
New calipers, we're putting braided cables, brake line cables on there, because they're all 25 years old under here, so we want to have some good stopping power. Yeah, we're not putting new calipers on it.
No. I thought you didn't have those red ones?
Or, I'm sorry, discs.
New discs, no, new rotors, yeah.
Is he at work?
Yeah, whatever, dude.
About time.
Yeah.
Stuff to get good help these days.
It is, man. The camera guy sucks.
We're gonna edit that part out.
God, it's like trying to put my... Never mind.
A little hair.
Oh, this not gonna work.
You got a bolt for it?
Cause these ain't gonna fit.
Really? Isn't that like the same one?
No, it's not. These are bigger. Yeah.
I said, tough to get good help.
Well, that was disappointing. We got the wrong stuff, dude. We gotta go to the auto store part, at least go get brakes on this thing to put some new brakes on it at least, because the new owner should at least have brand new brakes on their car when they get it. So, yeah, we'll keep you posted. We'll be back.